Here's a short video of this Telefunken radio.
By the way, he doesn't lift weights anymore because he no longer plays. But you do work out. By the way, when you run or jog, what's the man?
This doesn't have an antenna, it's obvious. I play with it sometimes, I can get it, depending on the buttons. Okay, it does have a broken button here, and it doesn't even have a button here.
Una nueva ronda de cheques de $1,200.
I think those bands problem that doesn't have an antenna on the back. So anyway, I don't know what these controls are, but this one NW is the easiest. Okay, so that's this radio. And I'll show pictures of the case. I wanted to show the back of the Telefunken also. Let me see. I think that should have been a fuse, but it's working. I'm not going to touch it. And there's two fuses right there. So when you get it, you got to check out those two fuses, make sure they didn't fall out during shipping, and you could either leave that how it is or replace it. I do have the full schematics for the radio too. And the case is really, I think this would be good for restoration. Case is really not in bad shape. Just have to come up with a replacement knob control right there.